guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having burger point, guys, and some nice food. Crispy chicken I have here on this side, and cheesy sauce that comes from burger point. Then we got gravy. Is it just gravy or gravy and potato?
It's just gravy.
Yeah, it's just gravy because I didn't make the order. And coleslaw. We have a nice coleslaw happening there.
And then over here we got nuggets and chips. I got me, I think it's a chook burger. A chook burger, and then there's cheese sauce, and then I'll drink some Fanta.
Yeah, those who eat at Burger Point a lot will know what their burger is because I have no idea. So we're going to get our prayer done, guys, and then we're going to eat.
Okay, let's eat.
This one I already got cheese sauce because we done a thumbnail. So this is the one that I'm going to start with. Here, guys. Pretty moist and crunchy.
Tastes good.
Yeah? Good, mate. Coleslaw. But anyway, here, guys, sharing is caring. It's got a sweety taste to it.
I've never had this burger before. It was recommended by Sharon, so I got it. It's a big burger.
You got some good chicken. I was considering making my own sauce, but I thought, no, just gonna buy it. Get over and done with. Guys. So good.
Oh my god.
We got this from Marston Park, Burger Point. It is nice. Chicken still crunchy. Because we brought it over from Marston Park and it's still got the crunch.
You have cheese on your face.
Well,
On your lip.
over here. Oh, see, that's what's in my mirror.
My mirror.
You don't know where my mirror's on your side. I went and bought this mirror.
My mirror.
I thought, I bought a mirror before. She took it. And then I bought that mirror. She held it. And this is why I'll go and buy it so I can make sure I got no food on my face. Yeah. Yeah, you got a mirror in your room. You should have bought that one. Oh, no, it's a big one, ain't it? That cheesy sauce is actually nice. Oh, and the drink today is Fanta, guys. Cheers.
I've only had Burger Point one other time.
Did you take all my tissues? Oh, here it is. Shoot me. When was the other time? Was it the time we went?
No, it was when me, Chris, Geneva, Noah, Savannah went.
Oh, one of those holdout ones, eh? How dare you? How dare you? I like coleslaw when they're fresh. got a nice sweetness. I like coleslaws that have a bit of sweetness in it. Oh, guys. I had a lovely, lovely surprise yesterday. My favourite auntie later, she popped over with my uncle and my other auntie, her sister, my auntie Mukbang. So it was so good to see them in Mawhawhonga. I know the names we have, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, it was so good because I think I told you that my auntie and her husband moved back to New Zealand, you see. And yeah, so once the border opened between Australia and New Zealand, they thought I'll come over just for a week.
Are they still here?
They're going to fly out today. Because they've been trying to get a car to come out. That cheese is nice. This is a nice box. It's you get all that, and how much was it? I think $48. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it.
Yeah, so what you see in the box came with it. So it was wings, gravy, coleslaw, nuggets, and chips. Did burgers come with it or no?
No. Because you wanted the burger. So I went to kick her leg away from my touching my leg.
If you didn't watch our last mukbang together, we done our hangi, NZ hangi one. Go watch it. Shout out to all you true Māoris up there. Well, shout out to all you Māoris in general.
Yeah, that was a lovely honey. I love honeys. I love the preparing of it, and well, to get together to prepare it. I like, because you can get to hang out, have a laugh, tell jokes, even dirty jokes.
Oh, no.
No, I don't know. Probably the men, not the girls. No.
I'm making my video today. I'm making a video for my channel today. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe. It's Chalera. My mummy will put it somewhere on the screen. Right, Mum? She will. It'll be typed right there on the bottom. It's Chalera.
I can't promise you anything.
She's gonna do it. Oh, Mummy.
No. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. You ordered that burger. Eat it, please.
Yeah, but I'm really liking these nuggets. They remind me of dino nuggets.
Which nuggets?
Dino nuggets, like dinosaur shaped nuggets.
Good. We're not even trying the gravy. I haven't tasted. I haven't tasted it. Nice. It's like a mushroom gravy. Taste it. It tastes like mushroom.
Ah! Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, Mum. You know how you're like so in love with NZ? Would you prefer to live there or here?
Oh, sorry, Australia.
Over there.
Yeah, I prefer to live in New Zealand. Only because the variety of food that you can get there, guys, and the beaches are nearby. No, I just love being around New Zealand.
No, yeah, I agree. I would prefer to live in NZ too.
So, my husband goes, yeah, like if we went to Vanuatu, we'll go back to New Zealand. And I said, oh, they'll probably be known never at all then. Yeah, if my kids didn't move here, if I can be one of those parents that say the kids don't want to be over there, I stay here. But I'm not like that. I miss my kids. So, I don't know why. They're such headaches.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. When I moved back from New Zealand, my husband stayed there another month. I think he was trying to see if I'll change my mind and go back. But, yeah. Because at the time, my little sister was looking after my mum at that time. Because my older brother said, let them have a turn, you know. I miss my mum. But I couldn't take her to New Zealand with me because she said where her husband lays, she stays.
Oh.
No, romantic.
Yeah, but she did visit. I remember her visiting us when we stayed in NZ. Right?
No.
She never visited us.
No.
I say I remember her visiting us in NZ.
Oh, yeah, like, yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Yeah.
Oh, good memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. She did too, because I got a picture of her and her brother. Oh, because she came over for my cousin's wedding, Faye's wedding.
Yeah, I don't know, but I do remember her coming
That's right.
when we lived there.
Man, sometimes Anyway, I find out my daughter was reading out some of the symptoms, you have when you got lupus, because I found out that I got lupus this year, and I thought I was related to Kim Kardashian when I heard that. And part of it sort of gives you memory loss. And I thought I was getting dementia. It could be dementia, guys. But yeah. I normally don't do my homework about it, but once my daughter heard that I have lupus, my one is affected by the sun. So if I'm outside, I have to wear a hat, like a big hat. My doctor, the specialist, said a big hat. So I was thinking, I can't walk around with a big sombrero. That's the biggest hat I can think of.
I want my mum to get like a deep fryer so I can like make nuggets or. Like,
I do have a deep fryer.
Do we actually?
Yeah.
Yeah, but do we got an air fryer?
No,
Will it taste the same if it's an air fryer?
I don't know. I got an air fryer, guys, and I've decided I was going to cook something in it. It started burning, so I thought, first and last I used it.
Maybe you don't know how to use it properly.
I didn't read the manual. Sometimes I buy stuff, TVs and stuff. I can't figure out how to use it, so I'll ask my brothers to come over and check out the TV or something. First thing he'll ask, where's the manual? And I go, what manual? It comes with a manual.
Oh, there are more nuggets. Oh my gosh. Yay. This burger's good. It's just,
You have a big nugget inside the burger.
Yeah, but it's not this nugget. This nugget's good. You're so cute.
No.
No, you just ruined it. What? What's up?
Can we swap cheese?
Sheets.
Cheese!
Oh, have it, babes. Have it all.
Thank you very much.
Have them both. Do you want them both?
No, just want that one.
Wait, why? What's wrong with your cheese, huh?
Because it ran out.
It's empty.
You need to go on.
That's why.
It's nice. Hey!
Yeah, it is good cheese.
Yeah.
Go buy the cheese sauce from
Bigger point. It's all good.
See? It's always around the 15-minute mark. That's when I start getting full.
Well, eat slow motionally.
Slow motion. Copyright.
Anyway, I just want to tell you guys something. Some of you guys might not even be on that channel, but I just want to say. So, Sharon always used to nag me. Why did I start a new channel? Because I thought, you know, like my cooking and my mukbang. For a whole year she would nag me. Don't do it. Don't start. Don't do it. Don't start.
The cookie one.
Anyway, I still went ahead and did it. Okay, guys. So I thought, I'm the boss here. I'll do it. Anyway, and then I did it and I enjoyed it and everything like that. So just before I went to start again, Sharon and Desiree, they asked Tara to do me an intro and outro. And then
For cooks? Oh, for this one.
For this channel. So no one told Tara, obviously, that I don't cook on Faye Vids anymore. So Tara put Cook and Eat with Faye on it. And guess what, guys? It's a beautiful intro. So I thought, okay, to counteract that, I've got to cook on there, on Faye Vids. Okay, guys? So I decided I'm going to leave Faye Cooks. Yeah. Shut the door, lock it up, and put the key. Ding! I appreciate all you guys that come and support Faye Cooks and even subscribe. Over 1,000 something subscribers. Thank you so much. And
you got 1,000 subscribers. Oh, that's good.
So I thought, okay, I'll leave that channel alone. I'll cook and do mukbangs on Faye Vids. So then I'll just concentrate on the one channel. So that's my updated news, guys. Stop rolling your eyes. No. Anyway, that's it, guys. So I rang Sharon today. I'm going to start cooking on Faye Vids now because, you know, the intro says cook and eat with Faye. So I might as well do this. She goes, oh my God, Mum, I told you this. You wouldn't listen. That's not exactly how she said it, but it sounded like that's how she said it. Now when she watched it, she'll probably text me. I didn't even sound like that. But like I said, it sounded like in my ear. So that's it, guys. So I told my husband this morning before he went to bed. So I said, oi, when you make the octopus, he's going to do it this Saturday, guys. So sorry. I said, it's going to be on Faye Vids. And he goes, oh? Oh. Anyway. No, God, man, this food is so lovely. You what? You wanted that burger?
Yeah, because Sharon recommended it, but babe, I even asked Sharon, I was like, yeah, but will I like the burger? I'm not saying it's a bad burger. If you like coleslaw and chicken and jalapenos,
well,
go and get this burger. Yes.
No, it's got bacon in it too.
Oh, no, it's, no, babe, where's the bacon? Where?
Yeah, on the top. Look, yeah, on the top.
Guys, she's talking about the skin of the chicken.
Look like bacon.
No, babes.
Oh.
Yeah, there's jalapeno,
aioli.
Yeah, jalapeno aioli, and then lettuce. One piece of lettuce. You know what? I'm not gonna beat this food down. It's a good burger.
Of course, they have beautiful burgers.
Yeah, it's literally called Burger Point, so you know it's good burgers.
Yeah.
The coleslaw's alright. The jalapeno thing's alright. Ooh.
What's a jalapeno? Whatever.
Jalapeno aioli sauce. So it's like a
What?
bit spicier. It's not really spicy.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
Have you ever had a jalapeno?
It's a chili, isn't it?
Yeah,
know.
but it's like capsicum. If
Oh.
you've never had it, it's literally just a capsicum but with a bit of spice.
Mm. I know.
I don't know. I've only
The
had
only time I
chicken.
hear that word is either when I'm watching Mexican food, and you hear them say it a lot, but I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a chili. It's a green chili,
Yeah, it's
isn't
a
it?
little green. Have you ever had
Oh, right. I saw the Mark Wayne, and then sizzling it on. I did not, yeah. I tell you,
Yeah.
this dementia, man. Mm.
When that, I don't know, so for those who are on TikTok, you know the jalapeno cream cheese and the turkey field thing? When that went viral, I tried it, a jalapeno for the first time, and I was like, this is literally just a capsicum. Or bell pepper, whatever.
You got a bit of heat?
No, not really.
Mm.
But then again, I don't find things spicy, so...
I thought that was another word of coriander at first.
No, it's literally a capsicum with spicy seeds. I don't know, I didn't have the seeds. Yeah.
This girl's really barking up the wrong tree. Anyway, I asked for questions for my husband and I. So we're going to do it. Got all the questions now. Thank you to all those that left their questions. It's all ready to go. But my husband used to make his octopus. He already went and bought it, guys. And he's got and put it in the freezer straight away. You know what? I don't really like these kind of. I like the flats.
No.
I'm a flats girl.
No, this is the better one.
No
Comment
way.
down below which one you prefer. Like, it's just so much easier. Like, you just eat around it, put it away.
But that's a drumstick, a proper drumstick. I'm talking about the wing things.
Oh.
Mmm. So crunchy.
I don't like to bother eating, like, chicken wings or, like, things like this. Because apparently I don't eat it right.
Well, yeah, probably. Mm.
Then I was like, oh my god, there's so much meat on there. Not really.
That cauliflower is really nice, Geneva. You know what? I have so many kids. When I call their names, I call all the names except the name of the kid that I want. So by the time I get to the actual person, I'm already yelling.
Yeah, and then it gets her mad when she makes that mistake. She's like,
Big boy snitch.
like
Anyway, so I'm going, Joanne, Sharon, Mata, Geneva, Shalana. And I'm going, can you answer your name, Noah? Noah that I'm looking for. He could be standing there, looking at me, and I'm like, all the other kids, and he's standing there.
No, it's like
He could at least help by saying, Noah? No.
yeah, but it's funny when she does it because
Yeah.
she gets angry and she'll throw a bit of spicy words in there. She's like, Geneva, and I'm like,
Never mind about your spicy words.
and then she'll like, and then she'll storm off. And we're like, we don't know who you're talking about. It's like,
Yeah, I get annoyed that I have to go through all the names, and I'll even backtrack to the names that I already said, and I still haven't got the name right.
Wow, don't have so many kids.
Be quiet.
It's the Samoan in you, babes. It's the Islander in you. Okay, no one take that the wrong way. I didn't mean it in any type of way, but know what I mean? Know what I mean, babes?
That's why I say shut up. Stop putting them.
These chips are good when they're fresh. They're still good, but like when we got it straight away, I had some of my sisters and oh, that was so good. They're still good, they're just not as good as if they were fresh.
Yeah, chips you have to eat it straight away.
I wasn't, no.
I can feel her body heat on me.
Yeah, but I wasn't even touching you. You went like this, then we touched. No, I wasn't even touching you.
Don't shut me again. You want to get it hiding so I can get heaps of views?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always say give them a home. But she rarely ever gets a home. So, a little drama queen over here, Chilora.
Oh.
That's why when she had a question on her video with her sisters, and then the question was, when was the last time I cried? And then Geneva, little whippy, she goes, oh, Mom? I thought, how? I haven't even made that whippy cry. You make your move.
You were talking about giving us a hiding. Geneva said something about giving me a hiding.
Yeah. Your question was, who was the last person that made me cry? Mariana. Mariana.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What?
Her pants fell. Yeah, pick it up. I think my mom's doing it on purpose, guys.
Yeah, she wants to make a feature in this video.
You leave my mum alone. Knock you out in a minute.
What are you on about? I was like talking about the joke.
What joke?
She wants a feature. Guys. Anyways, so what my mom was talking about is that we joke about her giving us a honey, but she actually doesn't give us. Well, she does give us a honey if we step out of line, but like that's rarely because we're good kids and we were raised better. We are good kids.
Maybe.
Sharon, comment below and tell all her fans that we're good kids because we are good kids. Okay, if we're not good kids, then why don't we get honeys?
Because you're being naughty.
See, that don't make sense.
What did you say? I can't remember.
If we're not good kids, then why don't we get honeys? Because we're good kids.
Because I call you over and over and over and over and over and over and over. I can call them over and over and over and over. And then I get so annoyed that I've called them so much, I just lie down and watch TV.
And she forgets about it, and we're like, oh my god, finally. Yay.
Until they go past me, and then I sit up. Oh yeah, come over here. I called you to go and yeah. No, you can't be bothered. See?
No, guys. Sometimes I'll be busy doing something that I think is important. My mum, the dishes. Like the dishes aren't moving, babes. Why are you yelling at me? This is about to move. What I'm doing is like I need to do it now. And she's like, no, you need to do the dishes now. It's like, babe, the dishes aren't going to go anywhere.
No.
The kitchen's still going to be dirty in 20 minutes. Just wait 20 minutes and then I'll do it.
Well, the thing is, when you're told what to do, zip it, come and do it.
Yeah, but like sometimes I'm doing something really important. Sometimes I'm in like a conversation with someone and it's like...
Which is not important.
It is important to me.
No. Because she's going to be talking to the same person for... hours. How could you not have repeated that rubbish over and over and over?
Yeah, but then I gotta bring the person with me to do the dishes. It's like, I would just like to sit there and talk to that person and then do my dishes. Nah, I gotta bring them with me because you're like, do it now, when I could do it 20 minutes.
Really? When my parents used to say, do a job, I'll go in my room first, have a sleep, then come out and say, well, what's this again? No, I did. I did. You know who I used to do that to? My dad. My dad would say, go and do the dishes. And I'd go, yeah. I'll run in my room, listen to a bit of cassette, You know what was I was snoring.
I'm like, set.
And
wow.
then I wake up and I realize, wait, I was supposed to do the dishes. I run out. The poor dishes are already on the dish rack, already washed. And I look at the sitting room. My dad's lying there fuming because he heard me come out the door. And I think, oh, got a fly.
Yeah, sometimes my mum does that. Like, she'll call me, and then I'll be too busy doing something, and then I'll walk out and the dishes are stacked. And she's like, oh my gosh, I done the dishes. And I'm like,
Yeah, all you have
"You
to do is
could've
stick them in the
waited."
dishwasher.
But
Back in the days, these were the dishwasher.
yeah, now we got a dishwasher.
Yeah, anyway. So guys, that's what I. So my cooking will be back on Faye Vids. Yeah. And then we'll get the questions, the Q&A done, me and my husband. And then he'll also get his octopus done, since he's already said that he'll do it. Yeah. Well, thank you all so much for the comments that you leave me. Any comment that you guys leave my husband, I'll go sit right beside him and I go, do you want to listen to your comment? You should see, he turns down the volume of the TV so he can listen. And a big smile on his face when he hears all his compliments from all his people that likes, watching him. Yeah, so I go, what about these people? Oh, look how they call you humble. But you're not humble. And you go, yes, I'm humble, Yeah, my husband's humble. But to us, he is a headache.
No, to you.
Only because he... to you too.
Not really.
Yes?
Oops, sorry.
She's such a liar.
No, not
Anyway,
really.
don't tell lies because you shoo him away and everything.
No, not all the time. He doesn't really talk to me that much. We don't really talk that much.
The nuggets must be good. And I had all those wings with the flap. And, yeah, garlic sauce. This is not even garlic sauce. There's cheese. Lovely sauce.
The gravy's good too.
Yeah. Yeah, the gravy is mushroom gravy. No, I've never had a gravy from there. So I didn't know what to expect. And it was mushroom gravy. And that's nice. I'm going to save that. So whatever I'm going to make after, I'm going to use that. So I'm going to look in my fridge and find some meat or something and use that to put over it. Yeah, I made meatballs last night when I think about it, and mashed potatoes and zucchini. Yeah, that was our dinner. Anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out with me and Chalora. It's time to now go and prepare something for my mum to eat and then turn on her Samoa news, because I always turn on the Samoa news and that's how we find out what's the latest. Or we watch the two guys that's on the Samoa news doing dancing and swaying back and forth and see what say the other one has on today. Yeah, because he likes wearing sags. So, yeah, okay. Lera mao, ia whaftaia, le matamata mai, mai eva mai, whasoi fua, ia manuia umual to aina. Sometimes my Samoa is like, but I try. Anyway, take care, guys. God bless.